You're struggling to get 1,000 subscribers. Stop scrolling. There is a hidden setting inside of the YouTube studio. There are a lot of top content creators here on the YouTube platform are using to increase their subscribers count. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn these settings on so that you increase your subscribers so that you will get monetized on time. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn this setting on so that you get your 1,000 subscribers in no time. Especially the fact that if you are a small content creator and you've not gotten to the 1,000 subscriber threshold required by YouTube in order for you to monetize your channel. So if you are in these shoes, if you are still struggling to get 1,000 subscribers, stick to me to the end of this video because I'm going to show you every bit of the trick required for you to gain your subscribers count and get monetized in no time. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Gloria Paul. If this is your first time tuning into my channel, you're welcome. Here I talk about YouTube tips and YouTube strategies that will help you grow your channel. I also talk about content editing tips, so do well to like, subscribe and share so that a lot of content creators will see this video and start implementing immediately, and YouTube will do well to recommend this video to a wider audience.
So head on to your YouTube channel and click on your profile. So when you get there, you see these three dots here. Click on it. A little interface pops out where you see the share button. Click on the share button and copy the link. Once the link is copied, now head on to Chrome or any browser of your choice. Now type in YouTube auto subscribe link generator. A lot of suggestions are likely to come out, but be sure to type in the correct one. The next thing you want to do is click on this first one you're seeing here and paste that link you already copied from your YouTube profile or your YouTube channel. Paste it there, then click generate. Once it generates, you see this interface where it says copy to clipboard. Copy it, copy the link correctly, and then that is the link we are going to use to get the massive subscribers for your channel. So head on to your YouTube studio and click on customization. That's icon looking like a pencil. Click on it there and this interface comes out. Keep scrolling and you see the place where you have links. So you want to go ahead now and paste that link you already copied from the YouTube auto subscribe generator. Paste it there and head on to this place and type in subscribe now or please subscribe or kindly subscribe. Anything basically pleading for people to subscribe for your channel. You can be subscribe now, please subscribe, kindly subscribe for more tips, anything basically. So once you are done, you want to go ahead to click on the home tab there. When you click on home tab, you see where it said add section. You can go ahead to add the best videos that perform well so that whenever people come into your channel, that video pops out in order for people to watch it and you get more watch hours too, and even they get to subscribe to your channel. So when all of this is done, when you're done putting all this segment, all this that's been taught in this tutorial, you want to go ahead and publish. Ensure you publish so as your settings to be saved. Now, I want to see if what we did actually works. So head on to your YouTube profile and you then see this interface of your second copied link from YouTube auto subscribe link generator. And that's it over there where you see the subscribe now. So that is all you need to do for this tutorial. So do it and you'll see how your subscribers start raking in.
And that is exactly how you navigate through these YouTube settings in order for you to increase your subscribers here in your channel. If this video helped you, please do well to like, subscribe and share so that YouTube will recommend this video to a wider audience. And a lot of small content creators will watch this video and start implementing better. Also, if you know about this tip before, do well to comment in the comment section below and tell me if you've used it before, and turn on the notification bell because I share YouTube strategies, YouTube tips that will help you grow your YouTube channel here in this YouTube platform. So until we meet again, I'll see you in my next video. You also want to do well to watch this video on how to increase more subscribers. I have made that video on that, so go ahead and watch it and I'll see you in my next video.